So, yes, bro. Nike doing well. I'm gonna take those. XLE. Oh wait, Jones just said something about XLE. Hold on. I forget you in there with me. Oh, we doing swell. Yeah, I just seen your message too. Let me read it though, 'cause I just seen you said XLE. Tuesdays and Wednesdays, energy days still. Yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah. Priming up Mondays, Tuesdays, full effect, Wednesdays, full effect. And then Thursdays is just a little iffy because they've been selling off a lot. People picked up, like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I see the money flowing. People picked up on that, on like how energy flowing and stuff like that, and started investing in the clean energy. They caught on this year. Let me let April and Bang Bang know. April looking to take the profits. Consolidates. Tag Jones too. Cool. That's there. Da. We'll just buy back. I'm gonna take those profits. I'm looking for calls too on spot. I know we kind of dropped. I do have. Oh, Macau, you hit the other number. Hit the other number. I'm gonna open that phone today though. I just heard it vibrate. I'm like, oh snap. All right, so I'm looking for calls on SPY. We do have a gap. Gavin, I know you was asking about those colors, right? That's these gaps, they're still bullish targets. They just not green. They're to the upside. Looking to fill this gap, test this gap. We only have okay, cool. We're at 923. Like, golly, man, I wanted this thing to stay down so I could pick it up, so I could ride it up with her. Um, However, yeah, I'm definitely looking for calls. Not saying that the market wouldn't short. We also have Powell speaking, so a lot of things can, transpire. That
Okay,
you
bro.
know,
Hey, I
I'll
don't mean to
possibly.
cut you off, man, but God dang, Tucker just ran that, bro. A lot of years,
Huh?
oh, nice. I don't mean to cut you off, but Tucker just ran up.
No, I know. I know. I'm just chilling, bro. Don't get me too excited, bro. He said, man, I ain't mean to cut you off. Tell him in the chat, bro. Go on, ask tell him in the chat. No, I'm already knowing, bro. I've been running. I've been looking at my charts and stuff like that. It's just like I told you, bro. I'm saying I be looking at things, boy. The money come, I'll be like, you know what? Took a little scalp. Wow, I'm done. Let me go count this bread. Nah, yeah, bro. Absolutely, absolutely. Like I'll go post it. I was just doing my best to just focus on the live. However, let's go get I was gonna say ratchet, but we ain't getting ratchet. Let's go show people. All I know is that I'm back in profits, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, trust me, bro. I not tried, did my best to not talk about Tesla. I was down like 70 grand, bro. That was like just Jesus Christ. Jones said, I got it out of my system. Jones said, man, I don't mean to interrupt, bro, but Tesla just took off. I'm saying the thing dropped down to 100 and some cash. Nobody thought about grabbing no Tesla, but last time it was at 100 and some people, you know what I'm saying? But it's Tesla, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I think of like Tesla, PayPal, like all the great things he's done, you know what I'm saying? SpaceX. Whew. I'm just happy, bro. I'm happy. I'm not gonna lie, like I tell y'all this. I was looking at it at one point and I was feeling like, man, I don't know if this thing gonna come back for me, man. Um, just go to one of these higher time frames real quick. We did sweep out some liquidity. They do got this liquidity here to take out. That liquidity is on a smaller time frame and support to this time frame. So yeah, let's see how we do this. Regardless of the fact, Bears Bulls are holding up, but Bears are stepping in. So we're gonna see how it flows. What time is it? I got 2 minutes for the market open. All right, cool. You know, I'm gonna be over here on in 5 seconds. Boom, boom, boom. All right. And what I'm looking at, get all this right. Looking at July the 3rd. Remember, I don't do zero DTEs. Um, the premiums seem pretty high right now. However, we did pull back a little bit, so the premiums rebalance. So it'd be best for me to read these premiums. The Greeks, I can read and tell you that, 546 down to at the money at 544 calls are all good. However, these premiums should rebalance here in a few. So once again, I'm looking for calls. Laughing out loud, my bad. I'm chill. Nah, you good. You good, bro. You good. It hypes me up. You know what I'm saying? Um, but yeah, I'm looking at for me. I want to wait till the market opens up so I can like look at these premiums. Because I'm I'm not trying to pay $235 to buy like 30 contract. Boy, stop. Stop right there. I'm saying make my eye go to futures. Um, so yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Um, most likely how they're reading right now, probably do like let me move this over here like this, like so. Kind of just put it like this, like so, like that, like so, like that, like so. Like that, like so. Can I make this smaller? Okay. All right, cool. So I messed with that. Okay, the market opening. I didn't even notice that. Tesla, she just hit 217. Oh my goodness. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. I'm a trade spy, but let me go ahead and take some profits on some of this stuff. I gotta manage my risk right now. Tesla, chill out. I already seen it. You came down 213 already. Boy, let's get that. Thank goodness. Let's go, bruh. Haven't been green on her. All right, I'm taking both of these and I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave no, I'm gonna take both of these and leave these two. All right, cool. Boom, boom. All right, actually appreciate you. Ali, have been in your ass. Appreciate that. All right, cool. Rivian, you chilling. I'm about to be back. Don't worry, I want spot calls. All right, cool. So don't be scared to get these spot calls now. All right, let me take this Nike. Let's go. Wow. That part. Let's go to SPY. Whew, that was fast, father. Let's go ahead and get the money. All right, I'm looking at the 544s. 544s, 554s. Either one. All right, now let's go ahead and look at this chart though. Because she just ran up on me. I really wanted it, but like I had to take these profits. All right, cool. I'm gonna wait for a pullback because I'm not about to just jump in the high like that. I really feel like she's about to go and hit the first gap. However, I'm gonna be patient. She's extremely overbought. Do. Here, so I don't jump around. I look at the time frames. Righty. It's gonna be. See, she already hit it. She already hit it. I'm not jumping in this high though. If y'all brave like that, y'all can. I could see her cleaning up this whole gap right now. It's just not worth it for me to just run in this trade and just grab like 10%. And then I'm gonna check something out because I may jump in it. Let me see how overbought she is over here. I just know she's gonna pull back. Watching her. I'll let y'all know when I buy her. It was like, Moody, how can you watch her on a 5-minute chart? Because I got the 5-second chart on my phone with my brokerage on the other side. All right, she's starting to pull back. Let's see. So y'all could be able to see it. Here, I'll drop this one down to a 1 minute right there. And then she started to pull on this 5 minutes. She's smashing straight through. I don't know what Powell talking about. My bad, y'all. Y'all know I would have been in these trades already, but however, I had to manage my own portfolio and start trimming and taking some profits elsewhere. Just trust me, I really just want to jump in this trade right now because I know she's gonna keep going. I could see her going to the weekly opening price, right? And on my chart, since y'all see that, that's gonna be all the way up here at 554.65. That's what I see. You know, that's what I see. However, I'm gonna follow my strategy. She's too overbought for me to buy it. You know what I'm saying? And I wanna, you know what? Let me teach. Let me teach. Why wouldn't I buy it right here? Because you see how she's pulling back? It is too overbought. I know it's a 5 second. However, if I take you over to the 1 minute, you'll see she's overbought. Don't you dare. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, she could keep running. We've seen that. However, you know what I'm saying? It's okay to let her rebalance. It's only been 4 minutes into the market. And I have to tell myself that at times, right? Good day, Eric. My entry didn't get filled. Oh, snap. She over here a beast. And she said, I ain't even jump in yet. She said, my entry didn't get filled. 5 seconds. I'll let y'all see it right here. See if she creates this head and shoulders and pulls it all the way back for me. That'd be beautiful. That'd be amazing. You know, that's what I'm truly looking for. You know what I'm saying? Even a pullback here to one of these 250% retracements would be ideal. She just seems like she just want to run. I'm not gonna lie. I will let her, I will, even if I don't get in, it will annoy me that I'm not in the trade and I know that it's going up there. However, it's about following your strategy. Because if I don't, okay, cool. I just made it. Guess what happens in my mind? Well, it worked that time. Let me see if it'll work this time. You don't want to do that. You don't want to, you don't have to fix nothing that's not broken. See? Come on, come to Papa. Come to Papa. And that's how you got to talk to her. You know what I'm saying? And this is one of the main reasons I'm coming to start live trading with you guys, right? So that I can walk you through this, right? You don't have to take every single trade. You just got to see what's happening. See, she's looking like she's reversing from here. I definitely want to grab it. However, You know what? Let's go ahead and grab that. Let me see. Let me see the 30 real quick. Now I'm gonna be patient. She's gonna have to pull back for me. You see, and that's me evaluating how I would have jumped in. Why didn't I jump in? Because of multiple time frame analysis, I said, nah, this one has to pull back a little bit more for me as well. You know what I'm saying? I would have been in around up here, like, dang, man, my bad, y'all. We down about like 3, 5%. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Let me go into the chat real quick. 554.7. I'm not sure what that means. Eric, what do you mean by 554.7? Love the evaluation, bro. Love the rules. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. What do you mean by that? 544.71. You mean, oh, where it's going to? Yes. And it's really 554.64. Let me read your price to make sure. No, that's not what you're thinking. 544. I don't know what that means, Eric. You got to let me know. I don't want to keep
The
thinking and talking.
50% retracement off the 13.
50% retracement off the 13-minute chart.
13 hour.
13-hour. Gotcha. 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 That's good to know. That's that gap. You see, like on my chart, I have it as a gap. It's not 71, but it's just a gap, and I appreciate that. So it's bull flagging right now. I really want to, you know what? She showed over freaking extended. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Strike price. I'm gonna go ahead and do the 46s. All right, cool. All right, let's go. Entry point at 90. I'm up 7%. I'm taking a trim here. I'm not playing with her because I know she's gonna pull back. All right, cool. First trim at I want to say 5, but it kept running because I'm at 7 right now. All right, we have 16%. I'm catching another trim right here. All right, cool. That was a good push. I'm not even looking at the charts. I'm looking at my phone, 21%. There we go. And I'm glad that you guys was able to see that, where it's like there was no fear or anything. It was just, it was overextended. There was no reason for me to jump in. You know what I'm saying? Then I would have had to go through all that volatility and then going back up, right? We're at 12% right now, 13% from being at 21, holding at 14%. Looks like she may want to come back to this gap that she just built and test the gap, see if she wants to hold over it. If she starts smashing through the gap, I'm gonna get out and look for another entry. Chilling at 10% right now. I should have took a trim at that 20, but I didn't. I felt like she was gonna keep running. All right, let's see if she bull flags out of here. You see that? My line right there. Let's see if she bull flags out of there. You see my RSI whip the line. Boom. Let's see if she bull flags out of there. My chart correlates with everything. That's why I'm like really particular on how I do certain things. 16%, 24%. Let me catch a trim right here. Give me that. And you held it tight. Let's go. Let's go. 25%. Let's go. Great morning. Great morning, man. Finding joy in the morning is beautiful. Great rise. Great rise. Are y'all nervous in this trade? How do y'all feel in this trade? Powell going crazy. What Powell talking about? 3-bar engulfing bar, 3-bar 4. Ah, come on, Powell. Let me get some more out of this, Powell. Because I don't want no big candle trying to come take out these PMGs. All right, we chilling at 23%.
I'm waiting for the surge in Evening Star.
You waiting for what?
The Evening Star.
On what time frame?
Oh, I haven't seen it yet. So I'm waiting for.
Nah, bro, that ain't happening. We at 36%, 37%. Let's go. I only have about, let me see, 12 contracts left. Dang, why was I trimming like that? I got 12 contracts left. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take 2 off and keep 10 right here at 40%. Let's go. Let's go. 43%. Let's go. I promise you I want to take another trade, but I got to run out of contracts. I only got 10 more now. How I look at this is more so like I told you guys yesterday, I'll take 5 and 5 or 5, 3 and 2. So I'll either get 3 more trims or 2 more trims, just depending on how it flows. As I mentioned, we were going to get to 554.63, and which is our weekly and monthly opening price, meaning that our weekly has now went doji, our monthly has now went doji, right? Big old cross, right? We're at 50% now, my loved ones. That was a beautiful trade. I told you I would have been annoyed if I didn't get in knowing where it was going. I just needed to get a good pullback. And I could teach a little bit because I'm saying she's not just gonna fly all the way down. We're at 37%, 36. So even if we was on a 1 minute chart, right? You see how overextended we are, even on the RSI. You could have tried to get in, you know what I'm saying? You could have got in on there. However, my strategy never tells me to get in at breaking resistance, right? Is so I'm a bullish trader, so I like to buy the support or a nice reversal, reversing back up. However, we can even see it right here on this chart, right? It would have been hard for you to get in on this 1 minute chart. So if I was to put you on a 3 minute chart or anything of that nature, it still would have been like, oh, I don't know if I would have got in, especially if you know how to read candles, and you would have been like, man, that's a gravestone. You know what I'm saying? On top of the uptrend. Look, we still running. We at 50%. There we go. Smash target. Let's go. 52%. I'm taking something here. All right. Boom. I took 5. Let's go. 52%. And I appreciate you, pal. Let's go.
That fool's talking about raising rates again.
That what he talking about?
Yeah, he's saying that inflation's still stubborn.
Nervous because the market goes everywhere when he says good morning. I got out way too early. It's all right, Nietzsche. You didn't get out way too early. You got out when you told yourself to get out. Remember that. Remember that. I would have been a completely out if I didn't have the opportunity to buy so many contracts. You know what I'm saying? That's what we was going over yesterday. Remember on class, if you're only buying one contract, you'll be married to that one and you'll let it run all the way to 50%. Look, now I'm at 28%, 30%. And then you'll be like, hey, I should have took that 50%, and it keeps trailing down. I only got 5 more. I can take 3 and leave 2, or take 2 and leave 3. You know what I'm saying? However, it's like, man, I just smashed this trade. She comes down to like 10% break even, man, I'm out of here. However, it looks like she's ready to pull back now. You know what I'm saying? That's just a 3 minute chart. So let me drop her down to like the 1 minute. My computer acting slow, frozen right now. We're at 23%. See the 1 minute did a little small rebound. When I'm saying rebalance, is like rebalancing the RSI. It's not populating. There it is. Now you see it. You see how it's pulling back? It has to pull back. It has to pull back. Right? Blue market structure line right here. Let's see how we fare with that one. I'm gonna just go ahead and I already got out of Nike, so I'm not even tripping about it. Trying to close out certain things on my computer so it doesn't go so slow. We're at 27%. Let me see if this actionable signal is gonna negate, meaning that it won't give us the morning star and keep pulling back. It looks like we're gonna get out morning star and not negate. This is a good it's still a good entry point. It's still however, we're still overextended. Remember, you see me get in while it was overextended utilizing the 5 second time frame. So if I bring you down here so you can understand why I'm saying that that's still a good entry, let me go ahead and show you. Right, when we come down, you see that big pullback. That's why I was saying that. Right, got that nice pullback. Look where it went to. You're up right now if you would have took it. You know what I'm saying? It's just me being able to read the other time frames without having to jump to the other time frames. But that's just from experience. Promise you that. That's not like, oh, I'm just a guru or I'm the best at it. No. You know what I'm saying? I'm the best version of who I was yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I'm better than him. However, not better than anybody. We're at 44% again. Looking to smash straight through the week and daily opening price. We want to go ahead and smash this, right? If we don't break these highs, then start to create lower highs. And that's how you know that the downtrend is starting. Make sense? Let's go. I missed it due to a call. It's okay. It's okay. I got out way too early. No, you didn't. I read that one already. Nah, y'all good. That's why I'm here to start live trading and to start um protecting y'all. You know what I'm saying? And when I say protecting y'all, not more so, of course, protecting capital and things of that nature. However, protecting the mindset, right? Nietzsche said she got out too early. No, she didn't. She didn't get out too early. You know what I'm saying? She's getting her confidence and everything. You know what I'm saying? That brought about confidence. You say that to yourself, it takes away the confidence. It's like, man, I seen it. I jumped in there. I got it. Let's go. I know I can do it again. You feel me? That's a different mentality right there. Right? We're at 40% still. Looking to see how we're gonna hold above this fib. Gavin, we're on top of the fib. One, remember when we were on our one-on-one session, I was telling you you can look at it and see how it starts to create that support on top of the fib where it's like not trying to break out of it and fall down. That's what's happening right now. They're fighting for that support to see if they're gonna hold it up there, right? Nice PMG to the downside. All right. I'm looking to just go ahead and take these contracts and I'll look for another entry. It's just I don't know, the way I trade is like, man, I don't want to just let I got five more. She could run up to like 70, 80%. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm calling out more entries, right? Like that one entry from here, and it took us all the way back up there. Um, however, she's pulling back. You know what I'm saying? We can see that on a 5 second. So she's pulling that 1 minute back, creating an evening star on a 1 minute. I'm actually going to that right now. All right, I see a tweezer bottom right now. Oh, I see the evening star that you said. It had populated. Yeah, I see the tweezer bottom right now. You know what I'm saying? And what I keep in mind is morning star, morning star. So this is the level I don't want to break. She could come back down here and reverse, but I don't want to break this level. This is my universal reversal patterns, tweezers, right? On a smaller time frame than the one. Morning star, got the tweezers right there. Off of the evening star, quick rejection. What would this be? Cup and handle. You see the cup? It's handling, right? Bull flag breakout. Got some targets right there. Let's go ahead and smash them straight through. That makes sense, Gavin?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Awesome. All right, we chilling at 36%, 34%. I only got these 5 contracts left. Ooh. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna take all profits here at 26%. All right, cool. And she started to move back up at that. All right, cool. Let's let her rebalance. And I'm gonna look for another call entry. So what I'm looking for is for her to come down to this 50% retracement, right? That's my ideal entry and finding a reversal pattern there or her just bouncing straight through that. Um, I kind of do say that she's going to continue to fall. You can't bounce from this 50% retrace on 50 mark on the side. However, we had a nice little ride back up. I want to see her go through this gap, and the gap is yellow to yellow. He just picked up some liquidity right here off that doji and as well down here, right before the gravestone doji. I really would like to, just jump in really quickly because she's pretty bullish. However, I do want to give myself a little bit of time. Let me go ahead and check this 5-second real quick. Right. She gave me another ideal entry as well here off of by my market structure. As I mentioned, you see how she didn't break that high, didn't break this high, right? It's starting to create that downtrend. You got to be able to identify with that and see that in real time so that you can make you know, good decisions. Creating even on 1 minute, 2-1-2 reversal on the 5. Awesome. 2-2 reversal to the downside on the spot on 5. Yeah, I can check it out over here. Yeah, I see that. And an evening star. And evening star. Doesn't matter that you have 2 of those small candles in there. However, I'm looking to grab this, bro. Let me see. Yeah. Thinking about grabbing the same strikes, to be honest with you. All right, let her pull. Let me see if she'll pull back. She didn't break that high though. That's the only thing I don't like. I see she keep pulling back. Ooh, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. See, she didn't break those highs. And when you want to scout calls and you see that she's not breaking previous highs, you just want her to drop down, pick up some liquidity, and just take it up and never try to break those highs, right? Just, it's all about your risk tolerance. If you got the capital or if you're trading futures, buy enough contracts where you can be able to scale out and you can hold that one last contract or 2 contracts and she starts pulling back, you just take that. Or I'm keeping a watchful eye on her. I want her to drop. That's why I'm being patient. That's just the feeling that I have inside of me and what I see is like, caught a nice move. Hold on, let them get their move now. You know what I'm saying? That nice little consolidation phase, like all of this is just ranging. However, all of that is just this right here. It's just the market open. The market had just opened and we only had 6 minutes into the market. And that's what we rode. We got in around there and rode that up. Right. So it's doing that same thing again. If you just look at this not being like this and just a big old pole, they're doing the same thing right there, right? Holding that market structure, that blue line. And that's just a market structure to a smaller time frame, not a larger one, right? You're staying patient. You know, we want to be in trades just like when I got in, boom, got in. They feel me. I'm already up 6-7%. I really feel like she's gonna go for it. Just trying to see if she'll pull back some more for me. Man, drop a 1 in the chat if y'all making some money. I definitely would love to know that.
I'm playing this downtrend. It's treating me nice.
He said, I'm playing the downtrend, it's treating me nice. And then what did he say before that? Man, I'm waiting for the evening star. Let's go. That's called discipline. That's called, hey, I'm seeing you running up on these calls. However, I heard you say also that it has to pull back, and I know what I'm doing as well. Let me go ahead and wait for this actionable signal. Let me go ahead and wait for the universal reversal pattern. Don't get too greedy, bro. And remember, learn how to trim. Learn how to trim. You know what I'm saying? Even if you up right now, you haven't taken no trim, Eric, trim it. Trim it. Don't be the person that's like, nah, she's gonna keep flying. She's gonna keep flying. She can. Trim it. She flies. She's giving you the same amount of profits that you just trimmed. And then she keeps flying down.
Yeah, I've been trimming all the way down. I got it at like 124. So some at 148, 149.
Boy, that's my brother right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. Show some love in the profits, man. Show some love in the profits, whether it's your trade or anybody else's trade. Even if it's
Gotcha.
my trade, I tell people that that's your trade. It's not mine. What you were saying, Eric?
I got you today. I'll send those to you.
He said, I got you today. I love it. But I got you today. That's that modestness. That's that Mr. I got capital, man. I got you today. I love it. It's how I am. All right, Eric, she's gonna go and fill that gap. That's what I see. So you good on your puts right now.
Oh, I
First
sold
thing
too early. I hit the wrong button. I
no,
sold
no,
all
you good.
instead
You
of
sold all of them.
yeah, I was trying to sell just a little bit. I sold
It's
it
all
all.
right.
All right.
It's all right. I see her filling gap, but I see her bouncing from here. That's why I'm being patient because it's like I don't want to get in the trade and it's like it's running up and it's like okay, I trim. Oh, okay, let me get out at break even. Why? Because I know how fast I can trade and things of that nature. The other person may not be that quick. Oh gosh, hold up. Oh man, break some highs. All right, let me go ahead, man. I really want this one. I'm gonna take a little risk and put some on 547 calls of June the 3rd. Just going one strike price above. All right, cool. All right, I'm in at 70. We're at break even. We're at 71. She ain't giving me no profits yet. And I'll risk like a negative 15% since I kind of smashed that first trade. That's only me giving a little bit of money back. However, reason I'm getting in is this 1 minute bull flag. So you can have an understanding. This 1 minute bull flag. I'm looking at breaking the rest of these new highs now. I think it pulled back enough. Man, I seen when it was at like 68. I should have grabbed it at 68. She keeps flirting with this 70 and 69. Yo, Powell done talking? Where he at, man? Tell him to say something. We don't pull back. They're like, man, you got everybody chilling now. They're like, man, what Powell talking about? Man, listen, we're gonna cut rates towards the end of the year. Or if we don't cut rates towards the end of this year, we're gonna cut rates next year, first quarter. That's what I see. First quarter cut rates. After election year, after all the false promises. You know what I'm saying? Don't that sound about right? I'm down about 5%. I'm lying to you 1%. Back at break even, making 1%. This thing just flirting. You better push. Cause I'm gonna just the way you moving, I may just take these profits soon as you push. Oh, they don't know nothing about this Spanish music. Ooh, all these dojis, man. Let me take it over to the 4 minute. 4 minute look good. We about to get a new candlestick for the 4 minute. It's on the 2-1-2 to the downside reversal. Looking like we about to get this 2-2 reversal on a 4. Dang, volatility. Ooh, this boy got volatile just now, didn't it? You seen that? My heart said, "Oh Lord, let me get out of the truck." I'm down 5% right now, 4%. Why you do me like that? 5? Hold on, let me go to the 5 second. That was volatile, girl.
And she
Why
pushed
you
him right
doing
back
stuff
up though.
like that? I know, but still, that was too volatile for now you can understand. I'm negative 7%. Doesn't even matter that I got in around here. It was that volatility. That volatility will eat up the contracts. That's the Vega to the Greeks. She need to get volatile and jump up. I'm only -2. Golly, come on, stop playing. I don't like this volatility like this. Because then, you know what I'm saying, you can read it. However, I see it going up, but this thing can go down. It's volatile. You know what I'm saying? I'm down -7, 10%, 12%. I'm gonna get out at 15. I just hit 15. Let me see if she's gonna hold this market structure. I don't want to just jump out, but she keeps holding that market structure.
10-minute looks like a evening star again.
All right. You are my everything. You're not gonna scare me out my trigger. I'm sorry. It's fine. I've been here for a while. You can't do that to me. I understand you wanted to, however, it's just not about to happen, not me. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get that full time frame continuity to the upside. I see you creating that cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders. Go ahead. Bull flag me out right here. Bull flag me out right there. Don't feel it. Bull flag me out. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. You acting like I can't fucking read charts. Let's go. We got break even now. From all that freaking volatility. Run, spot. Like, why you doing all that? Like, just take me past the monthly opening price. If you want to just hit my I think that's my last target I had. No, it's not my last target. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and take me out there, baby. Stop doing all that crazy stuff you're doing. I even play some music for you. Who plays music for you? Come on now. I'll be looking out for you, Spot. Don't reject that hard.
What's I be listening to, man? You gotta tell me.
Man, I be trying to talk to her nice and, decent. Treasury yields fell after Jerome Powell remarks. Okay. Okay. The Feds may cut rates this year. Told you. Wow. 3 minutes later. All right, let me go ahead and crash me a trim here. 7%. Let's go. Now you feel me. Now you feel me. Now you feel me. You know what I'm saying? That was just volatile, man. That was just volatile. Come on, Spy. Don't bring me back to this 1% break even stuff. Come on. Run. Run, girl. Run. Hey, I already took a trim. I'll cut you and play with me, Spy. I'll let you come down here to the 30 and the 50. I'll let you do that. I'll stay in. I'll let you flirt with them real quick. See if they're gonna pick it back up. Love. Give me love. Give me love. Now y'all understand why I say I barely miss. I don't say that to brag, man. When I say that, bro, I even go look in the mirror and just mean, thank you, Father. Thank you so much. The confidence, the skill that you have embedded in me. I know that I have a large responsibility doing this. This is not just for me. This is not just for, oh, my understanding. No, this is for me to go and help the rest of the human family as well. We was at 8%. I didn't catch the trim because I was over here talking. We had 5% though. Here we go. We back at 8, 9%. Come on, Spy. Hurry up and run through it. Run through it, man. I'm staying patient. 10%. There we go. Come on. Push, push, push. 11%. Catch me a trim right here. 12%. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. You see me, Eric? You see how I don't go off of no other analysis or anything?
I see the tweezer that turned into the cup to the bull flag up on the 1 minute. And I'm thinking I missed all that.
Let me go check it out. We gonna check it out. I'm at 7%. I ain't tripping. You feel me? I see you. I see you. You feel me? Crazy cup and handle. Wow. We are at 5%. Come on, let's hold over. Let's hold over. Let's hold over and create that support. Hakuna Matata. Varsity. Surgery. I know, I see the evening star. I ain't tripping. Got support right here, got a target right here. I'm only at break even. I would let her come down to right here and see if she tests the participants to see if they'll buy it.
Bill. Don't be doing me that way.
I'm down negative 5% on the runners. That's going to be on 15 contracts.
You being dirty.
And just so you can have an understanding, being down 5% with just 15 contracts, I was down like 5%. That was $5. That's only $75 being down. Just so like you can have an understanding with larger contracts. All right, she breaks this. I'm gonna get out. I love it. Let's go. You see how she bounced it? Bounced it. Come on, don't negate. Don't negate. You going two down? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Let's see if she push up so I can cut it like at 3%, 4%. Or negative. I apologize. I'm down right now. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. I feel she's gonna drop. I'm getting out right here at a negative 4%. All right. I'm completely out the trade. And there she goes fucking reversing.
I was gonna tell you on the 15 seconds she was moving back up.
It's because I'm on. It's because I'm on a fucking 1 minute chart, bro. I'm on a freaking 1 minute
Yeah,
chart.
she went back to back on the 15 second. I was like, as soon as you
No,
said, I
that
was
1
getting ready
minute.
to tell you.
Look, and I don't even feel like I don't even. This ain't bragging. It's just for y'all understanding. You see how I just said like it's because I was on a freaking 1 minute chart. Who brought the 1 minute chart around, right? So if you can't flip and saute that 1 minute chart, that ain't your strategy. You should get off of that because you don't know exactly what to do yet with that. You know what I'm saying? The 1 minute chart it's a whole nother ball game. It's its own. Like if you're wanting to do multiple time frame analysis and you're a scalper using a 1 minute time frame, you should be using a 1 minute, 30-second, 15, and 5. And you could use one larger time frame like the 3 to 5 minute to know your direction. She pissed me off, bro. Oh my gosh. Ah, it's okay. I'll catch another one. Now y'all can see me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see my emotions where it's like, you son of a gun, you scare me out my trade. And got me out. And I knew, like, she got me out right here, literally, where I said, like, I'll wait. I'll see if they'll bounce it. You know what I'm saying? And I could tell, like, I got out, like, right here. And then she just, boom. And then that's when I tell myself, like, hey, they don't know that, Moody. You know what I'm saying? Because you'd be like, man, every time I get out, man, thing, they don't know that. No, and I'm saying it's only you right here. They don't have a camera on you, right? Um, yeah, that was two phenomenal trades. Um, the first one was just phenomenal. I'm gonna see if she sets up again for me. She'll have to pull back though. Let me put a line here just in case I get new new 5 minute candles, 30-minute candles, so I could remember that she keeps bouncing from here and I just try to look at this little order block. Ooh, went straight through it. Now, if this was futures, I will buy it right now. I'd be like, okay, hold on, let me add. But this ain't futures. It's not gonna move the same. All right, I may grab these 547s again. They're on like $50. Let me see if she falls some more. I'm happy y'all making money though, man. I'm happy y'all making money. Yeah, keep falling. Keep falling. I'll catch one more trade if you keep falling. I ain't playing with that ugly ass bounce. Fall. I want you to fall. And you might reverse from here though. All right, I'm gonna grab the 547s. I'm gonna grab those. Let it yep. Let's go ahead and grab those. I'm in. I'm in at 55. We're at break even. She's starting to pull back. Godly. Don't tell me I should have waited on her ugly butt. All right, we up 2%. Back to break even. All right, inverted head and shoulders. Come show me some love. Show me some love. The 30 seconds still has to rebalance a little bit. That's why I'm not like tripping. I'm down like -5, -3, -2, -1 right now. Yeah, the 30-second also has to rebalance real quick. So let me put it on there so you can be able to see what I'm talking about. As you see, 5-second already dropped. I wanted this to drop a little bit more. However, I'm in there because I feel like, she's gonna reverse from right there. Yeah, she can still drop though. Absolutely, 100% though. There she goes doing that ugly stuff. And the only reason I'll cut certain things pretty quickly, is just because I'm not into giving any money back. And anything that I cut, as you see, it'd be like what, a -5%, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. However, my wins are 20%, 30%, 40%, 15, you know what I'm saying? I just protect myself. We got 3%, 5%. Let me catch a trim here. All right, we at 7. There we go, baby. We're at 10% now. Let's go. Let's go. She goes back to break even. I'll be out completely out the trade. We chilling at 5% right now, 6%. Just move back to 7. Lockdown. Or lockdown. Yeah, it's really like Fanta. Fanta. Okay. There we go. 11%, 12%, 14, 16. I'm catching the trim here. 18%. I'm catching the trim. Let's go. Let's go. Man, don't bite that. Brasco, stop. All right. Chilling at 15% right now, 16%ers, 18%. I already caught that trim. I want to break this market structure and bring it back to this resistance right here. Price 554.42. As I mentioned, we go back to break even. I'll be fully out the trade. However, we're just bull flagging, right? From the coaching class yesterday. Remember this bull flag? How I read bull flags with just individual candlesticks. This was a bull flag. Now we're flagging again on a smaller time frame. We're at 10%. All right, starting to pull it back. Let's see if she takes this liquidity and starts to bounce back up. Sorry, can't take no calls right now. All right, I'm coming back to break even. She's flirting with me. I'm gonna just go ahead and get out. I don't even want to risk it. All right, completely out. Ugh. Just following my strategies and my rules. I told myself if it goes back to break even, I'd get out. So I don't want to, what I'm saying, go down any further and be like, dang, I should have got out. All right. That was 3 for 3, man. That was 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Ugh. Ugh. Anybody has any questions? I don't think I'm gonna take any other trades. She has to let's go, Tesla. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Give me them racks. Let's go. Bang bang. We in there. Look, and she done reverse back, got me out my trade. I said she probably was gonna take this liquidity, fell down one more time, and then went back up. Right. And for anybody, if Nietzsche's still on, you see, I'm not gonna tell myself I got out too early. I'm not gonna tell myself any of that because I did well. You know what I'm saying? I did extremely well. Um, yeah. Yep. Justin, if you wanna get on these charts and things of that nature, man, just pull up. I'm gonna be at the crib. I got some one-on-one sessions like around 12:30, I believe. And I'll start doing that. If you want, you can come. So I'm saying, make some money. It's all love. We family, bro. Great live session today. Not only do you make money, but gaining understanding and patience is priceless. I appreciate that, Bree. I appreciate that. That's love. That's love. If you guys enjoyed the live trading, man, let me know. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? I go off of y'all feedback. You know what I'm saying? I don't get a feedback. I'd be like, no, let's not do pre-market. They don't want that. They're not saying anything about that. That's how just my brain functions, where it's like, okay, I'm a live trade. All right, they liked it this week. However, I didn't get requests. I'm getting requests in the DM. That's why I started doing it. However, it shows me where it's like, okay, this is what y'all want. All right, cool then. Let me integrate this. Let me make sure that, I'm just not all in the coaching. Coaching's gonna get super fire stuff that others won't get. However, let me integrate the live trading to make sure that you know, I'm bringing in those profits for people, right? Because that's why y'all in this group, right? To learn and to make profits, right? The full objective of this group is a learning hub. It's for you to learn and know how to do the things that you want to do and trade, or whether it's business, credit, or whatever the case may be, cryptocurrency. However, it is a profitable, like what we do is very profitable. So, um, you know, I took my profits yesterday and ran. Oh man, spy calls. I'm just like, I'm gonna leave her alone. Spy calls, though. I'm gonna let y'all know that. Because I don't want to. This is nothing but a big old bull flag. Spy calls. Still, I can see spy hitting 554 and even 546, 57. I could even see it hitting this target. All three of these green lines. Right now, let me take it to a higher time frame. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. She took all that liquidity, and that's what you got to be able to like see on the charts where this came down, took that liquidity. People will want, oh well, let's go ahead and take that one, man. This is one candlestick, and it's not going to change, right? It just swept out that liquidity to went two down. It's above the 50% retracement of the previous candle and that previous of the previous candle. So what is it looking to do? Go 3 bar, right? Just like this one. It opened up, went 2 up, started to fail, right? People was like, oh no, let's go for these calls, right? Boom. And you seen I traded calls, right? However, I was done after a while, and I'm just like, no, that's it, no more, right? Because I see the market for what it is. You know what I'm saying? If it's bullish, okay, I'm in the market. You know, I'm a bullish trader. If it's bullish and consolidating, you know, I may just catch a couple of scalps and then I'm gone. I'm out. There's no reason for me to be in the market, right? Watch this shit go 3 bars, as I mentioned. You know what I'm saying? You can see how it turned orange because the bears are trying to hold it down. However, now this thing gonna turn blue. You know what I'm saying? The daily and the weekly and the monthly is right here, right? Understand charts. When you know that, you go to the monthly, right? 'Cause that's the biggest time frame you see right there. Look at that. It's about to go doji. That is an actionable signal. Pin bar. We'll look at that like what? A Momo hammer, right? How many days does it have till it closes? 29. It just started, right? And those are the things that you do so you can start to understand things. You know what I'm saying? Go to that weekly. You know what I'm saying? And you start to understand things a little bit more clearer, and you see where it's like, oh my God, they got the full time frame continuity right here. All these time frames that open up here. You know what I'm saying? So that's that resistance, and look at all those targets right there, right? So when you start coming down to these smaller time frames, you want to see the trend. You want to see the trend that you were seeing on the higher time frames, and it's still an uptrend, right? Bull flagging, 5 minute bull flag. It's just once you start reading charts and candlesticks, you understand like, nah, that's the overall pattern. The overall pattern is a bull flag, but it's doing cup and handles, is doing this, is doing that, right? Especially when you take it to the 1 minute, you start to be able to identify that where it's like, nah, there goes that cup and handle, right? To the bottoms. You know what I'm saying? You start to see all of that stuff. So yeah. Oh my bad. Let me go to the chat real quick. I can stop sharing the screen. Amazing, amazing trading day, bro. Amazing for real. Like, y'all don't understand, bro. Sometimes I want to fucking cry. Like, I was a fucking has-been, you know? So I do my best to like show people love and things of that nature and have an understanding that like you see the world differently, Moody, and it's for a reason. It's for you to love people and things of that nature, right? And show them a way. You know what I'm saying? Show them a way. And then I tell people straight up, like, hey man, I don't know if what I'm doing is the right thing. I have a feeling and a knowing that I'm doing the right thing and I'm walking the narrow path and the righteous path. And ain't nobody over here telling, you know what I'm saying? It's just me studying. It's just me putting in the work, me showing and prove, you know what I'm saying? Seeing my thoughts. Oh, I don't eat swine, right? I don't eat pork, certain things. I don't eat bottom feeders. Seeing the transformation within my own wife, where it's like she's still eating pepperoni pieces and this and that, to the point where she's like, nah, don't give me a pepperoni piece. Give me this. Why? Because she's seeing it in her husband, the way I'm thinking. She's been with me all my life. You know what I'm saying? And she's seeing that, and she's like, "No, the food is making you think a certain way. Now I see why you fasting." Man, I'm hungry. I'm not doing that for no reason. That's what I'm supposed to do. That's what's in the word. Fast at least one time. Fast one time out of the month, out of each month. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to say, "Hey, look, I'm not going to listen to that ratchet music today. I'll listen to it tomorrow, but today I'm not." That's self-discipline. Today I'm gonna do my best not to curse. Well, I'll take that back because profanity is not a curse. A curse is not having knowledge of self. That's what a curse is, right? Profanity is not cursing. You know what I'm saying? That's just utilizing words, right? Let me go into the chat though, real quick. While I keep talking, I'm about to be off of here. Miss Maya says it was great, especially because it provided confirmation of what I had on my chart for opening. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Because you had it on your chart, not because I had it on my chart, because you had it on your chart and you studied. Right? Big B says, so are you taking pastor's place? What do you mean by that? You talking about like live trading? Oh, nah, man. That's my brother. I don't want to speak too early, man. I really want to tell y'all, I just don't want to speak too early. Pastor still will be live trading. I still will be live trading. It's just we listen to y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's all. I know I'll tell you this, I know a lot of people want to trade live futures, right? So just we working, man. We working. It was a blessing to have Pastor around, man. Like it was a blessing. I was able to kick my feet up, still working, but like, oh, all right, cool. I don't have to focus on live trading. I know I'm nice at live trading. This is what I do. However, it gave me time to pour into more members, make people profitable, right? Stay on one-on-one sessions with people, right? It's just like the coaching program is hearing now. Like, hey, some people was able to book me not only 30 minutes, but for an hour or a little longer. Now I can't do that. I have to do 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Why? Because now I'm giving my time and I want to make sure people are more profitable and things of that nature. However, I'm still going to be doing stuff like y'all still going to be able to book me for an hour and things of that nature. Um, you know what I'm saying? And really get the information that you guys need. However, I just had an understanding that like, hey, I'm the face of this Discord. When someone sees Moody, right? Moody, how would you feel if you found an amazing Discord and is speaking on this person, and then you come into the Discord, and yes, that person's there. You can ask that person questions. However, you may not know that person yet and don't know if the person's genuine or will answer any questions or pick up for you or whatever the case may be, because you're going off of your past experiences, just like I would go off of my past experiences, right? Sometimes. So with having that understanding, it's like, how would I feel whether I'm a grandfather member, anything, and it's just like, man, there's live trading 5 days a week. I only could get it these two. That's a grandfather member. Nah, you're gonna get it all 5 days, right? Why? Because y'all supporting, y'all here, y'all showing me love. So I have to show my equality back. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I am. I move in a very righteous way because that's the way to live, right? I can't live the other life. I already lived it. It didn't bring me nothing. It brought me hurt. You know, it brought me sadness from me hurting other people. You know what I'm saying? That's why I understand individuals where it's like, no, you're choosing to hurt this person and you know what you're doing, especially if you're younger than me, because I'm only 30, what, three? Does it hit yet? I'm only 33, understanding. You know what I'm saying? So I have that understanding that if one is making one feel a certain type of way, it's because you want to do that. Why? Because I'm a fucking asshole and I've done that before and I don't like the feeling, right? So bringing it back to like what I was saying, it all correlates where it's like, hey, how would you feel, Moody? You will want to be able to get on a live, whether it's futures, whether it's just trading or a class, you know what I'm saying? To gain some understanding of like who is this person that's educating and things of that nature, right? And I have to remember, just like I said earlier, with having this skill, I could be a mechanic with that skill. Doesn't mean that I can't create a business. You know what I'm saying? You create a business essentially to help other people. You know what I'm saying? Yes, the business grows and things of that nature. However, if the other individual is not looking at someone's pocket or something of that nature and they're looking for the skill, look at Gavin. He just dropped a testimonial. I was able to see it yesterday. He already got one. He already is pending one of his payouts. One of his payouts. I gave him my word. Hey, bro, I'll help you make $13,750. That's my word. I'll help you do that. I need you to keep your word. Can you stay disciplined? Can you not blame anybody and blame yourself? You know what I'm saying? So those are the things that we have to remember. So Big B, now I'm not taking Pastor's place. He's not taking my place. We both will be live trading. I got a question. Did you want me to take like what would you like to see? What would you like to see? Mentioning Pastor and Moody. And that's my brother right there, man. I rock with Pastor to the fullest.
I like both of you guys, but we got used to Pastor for a minute, so I was just wondering if just things were changing. That's all.
Nah, Pastor's still gonna be here, bro. He's still gonna be here. Pastor's having a lot of great opportunities where he's, trading with prop firm and things of that nature. So I got love for Pastor. I got love for everybody where it's like, hey man, I want to put his business out there. So it's just like I know brain power, bro. I understand. Trust me. Like there's there's times where I've live traded with a group of friends and then came into the Discord, live traded with the Discord. Mind you, it's not my it's just me helping. Like I don't run it. Y'all should know that because this is y'all should know I finally have a Discord now after what going on my 4th year of teaching for free. Um, and I wouldn't say for free because I got paid at certain points as well, right? However, you get fatigued, bro, and it's the brain power. It's just like how I'm on point. You see how like I'm on point, got my calls. I'm like, nah, we're gonna wait. We don't break these highs. Look, the downtrend starting. Boom, people able to make profits off of that. Boom. All right, cool. Now we're looking like we're good. Let's go ahead and buy it again. Boom, smash it. All 3 of them that same way. Well, the last 2 that same way because I had to wait now, right? It wasn't just the market opening. You know what I'm saying? I knew that there would be volatility with Powell speaking and things of that nature. And nah, man, you're in the coaching program. I set certain things up a certain way so that you guys can continue to be profitable. So that's not something that I'm looking at doing to like remove things. I'm looking to improve them. Right. And yeah, when y'all see the improvement, y'all gonna be like, oh snap, this is gonna be fire. You know what I'm saying? And just giving them people the availability to be around I want to use the word professional, but expert traders, right? Because I'm writing exact. I'm not a professional. I see myself as a professional, but I'm not licensed. I can't tell you that. I tell you I'm a professional. That's why I don't say like professional trading or anything of that nature, because your mind knows what that word means. Do. Why can't I unmute, sir? I'm not sure. Anybody can unmute. Try it again. Hit the button. She's like, why can I unmute? I don't know. I gotta jump through the computer and figure it out, man. Let me see. Yeah, everybody has the opportunity to unmute. Big B just unmuted. Let me see something real quick, Miss Maya. I can help you out though. Ask to unmute. I just asked you to unmute right now, so it should pop up on your computer. You click. Yeah, I'm gonna send it again. Memo, love you. Have a beautiful day and continue to strive for greatness. Oh, continue to strive to greatness. Absolutely, bro. Likewise, likewise, likewise. Yep. Let me give it a couple of seconds, see if Miss Maya is able to unmute. I think she wanted to say something. Look, and I'll give y'all something. This will truly help y'all. I'm gonna even type his name down here so that y'all can go download this. You know, if I'm ever in a place that I don't want to be, you know what I'm saying? There's an album and a song I play. Um, Here, his name is. See if I see you just joining. We literally finishing up the live stream right now. What's the name of this album? Sunflower Soul. This is his name, and that's the name of the album. Download that album. Go to Apple or whatever. I promise you, you play the first song, you're gonna be like, "Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful," right? And this is what helps me continue to love on people. You know what I'm saying? Because it doesn't matter. She said it's 9:34 here. Okay, cool. So I'll make sure that when I put the live trading, I don't just say 9:30. I say 9:30 Eastern because it sounds like you may be in California. Or no, not California because it's only an hour back. Your Central Time. Tennessee. Yeah. Awesome. How is it out there in Tennessee? Let me scroll up. It may be my computer because that did not work either. Thanks anyways. I'll reset. You know it. You're more than welcome. Moody, please can you look into BBWI right now? Sure. Yeah, I got you. I just gotta share my computer and let me know if is if this link to come right back up. Got you. Hold on. Oh, she said BBD. Pull up the chat room. It was like BWWY some shit.
Whatever you face,
Gotta be patient.
so many lessons.
Hold on, let me find that
You
TikTok.
gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Follow your dreams.
BBW.
Whatever you chase, you gotta be patient. Wherever you go, in so many places, you gotta be patient. Don't be complacent. In your situation, you gotta be patient.
Yeah. Oh, this is Beth. Beth Bath and Body Works. Okay. I actually seen BBY. I ain't say anything. Bang Bang saw that, and he had took that trade. I remember seeing it, and I was just like, man, but she don't be moving that much like that. I don't even want to call it. It was just a perfect setup. Bath and Body Works. Let me see what you said. You more than welcome. She said it's not in Tennessee. I feel you. Let me just take this to a larger time frame because she's gonna keep dropping. What I see. Let me just check this monthly out real quick. Oh no, she already triggered for the monthly to go down. She gonna drop. It's because this month just started. And she already triggered to the downside. She's breaking this 50% retracement. She holds under this 50% retracement. I see her going down to about $32.21. That's the full move. You don't have to go for that full move though. Um, now that I've done that, let me just bring her down. Let me really look her. Let me really look at it. Yeah, she's so weak. I mean, this is a trash company at that. I don't want to say it like that, but people go buy $25 candles from them. You telling my wife like, no, you better wait for the freaking sale. The fuck, y'all be trying to buy a whole bunch of candles. I'm the type that's like, man, how do you make candles? Baby, here, I'll buy you the product. Make your candles. It's because I like to like learn. I like to do things. Um, just looking at it, I'm trying to travel down to smaller time frames just to continue to read it. It looks like it's gonna pop from here. I still got to read the smaller time frames. It's overextended, extremely overextended. Let me see something. I just you got to load up, buy a good bit of contracts. You buy one contract, you're not going to be seeing that much profits because it doesn't move crazy. You know what I'm saying? 30 cents, 20 cents here. However, she's gonna bounce. Let me come down to like the 1 hour, 2 hour real quick. She already started bouncing. So she actually could still drain a little bit more. She bounced already. I would tell you to not try to trade this today and let it work out however it works out. And here, I'm gonna chart the chart for you to know your entries. White is entries for calls. And you could just take a screenshot once I'm done charting. I'll put it in a nice way. Let me see. That's the 40. Yeah, I'm not trying to take her up higher than that. She doesn't move like that. I'm down to this hour real quick. See, this is what people really want to learn right here. What I'm doing, this is what you want to learn, not all that other stuff. So you're like, man, how does Moody be knowing this stuff? Price is that 37.80, 38. So it's only like a 10-cent move. That's right. Yellows are gaps. As you see, there's a gap right there. Blue lines are market structure. All right. So let me bring it over here so you can see your chart. All right. Don't get confused with this one red line. I can't change that color. It's part of my fib. That's why you see a 0.5 right there. That's just letting you know it's a 50% retracement. If you want to buy calls, you'll have a greater opportunity to buy calls at 38.59, and then you got your targets right there. That's a large target already for BBWI at 39.27. So I'll look to be trimming at least more than half or half of my position and letting runners go ahead and proceed with the profits. However, you have an entry point here for the puts, right, which is 37.80. So that triggers, you can enter in, and you got some quick TP areas right here. Oh my God, I actually forgot to call you back. Peace. Peace. How you doing? Hey, I'm doing well. Let me call you right back. I'm not gonna forget. Oh, what's going on? What's the question? Yeah. What kind of stuff are you talking about? You talking about for the baby? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, just call her. No, call her. No, yeah, don't keep that on your conscience. Just call her. It's because I'm gonna say, yeah, sure, why not? Yeah, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm on my own diet. That's why I don't push her. She get there when she gets there. It's just like what you've taught me. You can't do that to people. Doesn't matter how enlightened someone is, you have to guide someone in the journey. So, she's doing very well. If you want to offer that stuff, go ahead. I think it's a good opportunity. I think she'll like it as well. All right. I love you. I'll see you soon. Talk to you soon. All right. All right. My bad. My sister was calling me. So you got to put entry right here at 37.80, right? And then you got some quick targets right here. These are TP targets, right? Um, and as you see, I see more movement down to the downside than to the upside. I see her wanting to reverse and go to the upside. However, if she triggers, and look, I'll put an alert here for you. I'm not gonna jump in this trade, just to be honest with you. It's just because I don't really trade BBWI. I'm not a fan of it. However, if it triggers for that, I'll give you some more targets because you got a nice little PNG up there as well. However, I will want to see her hold above that 40 mark. You know what I'm saying? If she can hold above that 40 mark, I would definitely tell you to go ahead and rip her a new one all the way down to about 42, right? Not all the way up here at 43, but like 42, right? Because that's market structure. Um, you do have a gap down here as well. And just because it's overextended, I will look to trim. You don't even have to trim half of your position right there at the first TP. However, I would be trimming more than half of my position on the second one and just seeing if it just wants to ride down and take some of that liquidity, right? So that's what I see on BBWI. Let me put it on a larger time frame so you could just have more right there. And these are your price lines. And really, when you take your picture, all you really need to do is take the picture of this right here. Take the picture of the whole thing so you can know what it looks like, but you just need this right here. And that's why I color coordinate them and things of that nature. You'll never see the price of my fib because it just doesn't populate. However, anything I put on my chart, you will see all those price lines right here, right? So if you take that and you just, put it on your chart and put the same price lines, you'll be fine, right? However, with the raid, you want to put them where they belong, right? Because those are the liquidity, and then they turn into support and resistance. Dang, I had this music all the way up. So yeah, let me stop sharing the screen. Oh well, was you able to get that screenshot? Let me know. If not, I'll show the screen again. Okay, answer that. I bought two contracts. Oh, you're in the trade to go for calls. Gotcha. Gotcha. I see it triggering puts, to be honest. You can get I wouldn't tell you to just cut this trade because it's so overextended that it's gonna be looking to pop. We just need, I mean, the market to stay bullish with that nature. Um, However, if she triggers the put entry and keeps going down, I would tell you to cut because then you could just get back into that trade, right? When the time is right. And you can DM me if you well, I'm gonna be going through DMs. So I would say just tag me in the Discord. You can always DM me, but just tag me in the Discord and just let me know how it's going and I can reevaluate it for you. I bought 2 contracts for a total of $150 with buying power of your buying power. Um cool. So that means you have three, for a little over $400. So you're not really over leveraging. Oh, please do understand if you're trading with $500, you're always going to over leverage, right? Because that is you if you're playing with 50% more of your portfolio, you know what I'm saying? However, don't feel like that because you're starting low, right? So if I was you, I wouldn't trade because I know these contracts are fairly cheap. Go to America Airlines, you'll fare well way better. Delta, Bank of America, financials is the play that people should be looking at right now coming into election, and energy and things of that nature. So find cheap contracts there. Um, do I get out now? I'm at a loss of $60. What's the percentage? Not the dollar amount, but what's the percentage? Percentages is what helps me tell you if you should get out, right? Like if you're negative 50%, I will tell you to get out. Why? Because you're gonna need about 70% just to go back break even. You're more than welcome. You know what I'm saying? I don't really hold trades on, like, if I'm day trading, like not even day trading. If I'm scalping, I'll go down like 20%, 30%. You know what I'm saying? Because, and especially if it wasn't volatile the way it went down, right? Because then that'd do more damage to the contract. However, like my rule of thumb is like, 35 is cool. 40%, I'm not holding anything that's holding at 40% because I'm gonna need like 60% to, you know what I'm saying, just come back up. Right. Or I'm gonna have to average into that trade. And me, I'm honest, I don't like averaging into trades because I have a size position that I trade with, right? At any given moment, I'm buying anywhere between 30 to 50 to 60 contracts on spot when I'm live trading. I trade with $7,000. So if I have to average in, my stomach be bothering me. I'm like, man, I'm not putting up another 7 bands. That's 14, bro. What if this shit goes the opposite way? I'll be pissed the fuck off. I just lost 14. I'm not gonna lose the whole position, but still, like, I just lost that much. All that weighs on you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm confident and stuff of that nature, but that still weighs on you. I'm still human. I still have to go through the emotion and walk through it and have an understanding of it. Yesterday I was down 33% and today I am down 21% already. So you're actually recovering from the 33%. I would tell you, just one more day. One more day. However, it's just that I know for a fact that she's gonna trigger this. Why I'm saying one more day is because she can trigger this and then just reverse extremely hard. See the RSI, she's overextended, right? I'm gonna take you to a larger time frame so that you can see that. Oh, it wasn't. It was. I believe it was the 11th. Oh, I'm on not the right time frame. I'm sorry. Right? She's overextended, so she's gonna look to bounce. But right now, they're gonna milk her ass. They're gonna milk her. Why they gonna milk her? This ain't futures. This ain't SPY where it's gonna have a lot of volume, where people are just gonna come trade this, where people are gonna see this and be like, nah, let's pick this up. Nah, they're gonna see this later on in the day. You see, it's going straight from my put entry, straight from my put entry, no stop at all. You know what I'm saying? No wick, no nothing. It's gonna hit this put entry. You know what I'm saying? You see how that's overextended right there? All right, go to the hour. It's not overextended right there. That bitch is gonna drop. That's the only reason I'm saying like one more day. Why? Because you could get a nice pop right back up. However, me, if I was in the trade, I'd cut it. I don't like to tell people what to do. I tell them like if it was me, I'll cut it. Why? Because I know that she's gonna go try to trigger. She just left this structure. You know what I'm saying? Look at these candlesticks on how it moves. It's not that big. I don't see boom. Oh, let me go test it. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Those are spy moves. You know what I'm saying? I go down to the 1 minute. I could see like she's gonna rebalance. However, she may rebalance when she triggers to go back up. But I do like this play. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I do. It's just I know that you're down. You know what I'm saying? Like if you was trying to set up a position right now, it'd be a little different. However, let me not be long-winded because I know I got these one-on-one sessions coming up. I was trying to do my best to start answering some of these DMs. All right. Does anybody have? You're more than welcome to Anea. Y así mismo, como tú estás haciendo, que tú nomás me estás preguntando, tú puedes hacer eso a cada minuto. No, no importa si es cryptocurrency. Eso es lo que yo hago. Yo sé leer la cosa y decirte a dónde vas. ¿Tú me entiendes? So, hasta si es que tú necesitas pensar un chisme mejor o otro ojo que te lo vea para que te diga, no, mira, quizá esto, esto y esto. Tú siempre me puedes preguntar, tú me puedes saber MoodyBugz, mira, Moody, yo no te DM, o si yo te DM, chequea los DMs, o mira, yo estoy en este play, ¿qué es lo que tú crees de esto? Y yo siempre te voy a decir. Y más que tú eres uno de los míos, ¿tú me entiendes? So, um, yep. So that's all I have for you guys today. May the Lord continue to bless us all from the crown of our heads to the sole of our feet. I was supposed to be off here at 10:30. I'm doing my best because I know I love educating people to like, hey, let me just be on this for like an hour, even my classes, give y'all the information that you guys are looking for so that I can have the energy to continue to pour in and things of that nature, right? So yeah, appreciate everybody that was able to get on to this live. May the Lord continue to bless us all from the crown of our heads to the sole of our feet, back to the crown of our heads. Remember, my loved ones, be kind. Don't be nice, but be kind. Be kind and be genuine, right? Yep, and that's all I got for you guys. Peace out.